Hello buddies, I am RJC Arvarun, grade 5B from Primbits Garden School. This is the message from Savitri by Arabindo. This is huge natural universal become a small result of a suspicious forance overtalking the movement, the entral ray illuminated that which never yet was made. Thank you, bye.
Hello buddies, நான் உங்கள் அஜலிகித் grade 9 from Primbits Garden. Today's Karmalgiyappa message. The next stage of progress is for the individual to become a law unto himself, regardless of the society. The society should come to accept the choice of the individual's organization, even as it did with his worksheet thoughts and political choice. Thank you, bye.
Hello everyone, I'm your Ajashita, grade 7 from Primbits Garden School. In this show, we are going to see some logical questions and answers. Let's start the show. Within my frame, I hold my tales, some short and some sweet, others an epic scale. Turn my leaf to solve what's hidden. With words and wit, you will be smitten. What are my answer is riddle book and next கண்களுக்கு இது அலங்காரம் தான், ஆனால் பார்வைக்கு உத்திரவாதம். அது என்ன? யோசிங்க பார்க்கலாம். அதுதான் முக்கண்ணாடி. Thank you, bye.
Hi, hello buddies. I'm RJ Parveen from Primbits Garden. Tomorrow's special National Sports Day in India is celebrated on August 29, marking the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. This day honors his remarkable achievements, including winning gold medals for India in the 1928, 1932 and 1936 Olympics. Major Dhyan Chand's legacy continues to inspire sports enthusiasts across the nation. Thank you. Bye.